This is Gerd. Gerd is a construction planner and is responsible for the smooth running of the construction site. Gerd has to watch deadlines, budgets, legal guidelines and norms. That requires a great amount of effort, which can quickly lead to stress and chaos. This is the reason why Gerd has already frequently wished for tools that would simplify parts of his work. But Gerd, these tools already exist with OBO Construct. OBO Construct is a selection of planning tools for electrical installations by OBO Bettermann. With the OBO Construct tools, you can plan and configure cable support systems, put underfloor systems together and equip them, simply and quickly select norm-conforming fire protection. And you can compile a custom-fit protection system against lightning and surge voltages for your project. Then, with a few clicks, you can download a finished list of materials and tender specifications. And because we know that you spend a lot of time on the road, the OBO Construct tools are not only available on your computer, but also on your smartphone or tablet. Finally, Gerd has found the support he has been seeking for such a long time. With the OBO Construct tool from OBO Bettermann, he can keep an overview and his job is fun again. Why not try it now at www.obo-construct.com?